so welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Kristen, and today I'm going to be curling my hair. And yes, you guys have probably never seen me have my hair curled ever. I don't know how this is gonna work completely because I feel like one side of my hair curls really, really nice and the other side doesn't curl at all. So I'm hoping this a fun little piece right here curls my hair. So I have seen these all over. Honestly, I have tried other companies' products and I could not get them to work. I've been messing around with this for a week now and I think I have finally got it. So you guys, this company called Irresistible sent this to me. This is the Moonstone Automatic Steam Curler. And this is the box it comes in. I'm always so shocked with their packaging. It's always so beautiful. They actually sent me a straightener not too long ago and I absolutely love it. I use it every single day since I've had it. Love it. So I was really excited to try another one of their products and see if I can curl my hair. So I thought that I would show you guys what my hair looks like before. You guys always know what my hair looks like, but this is the before. Boom, boom, boom. So I think what I'm gonna do, so I guess I'm just gonna keep talking. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to part my hair in sections like I do straightening it. To do like a fast straighten, I usually just like throw it up like this and just do like this part, and then call it good. But I think with actually curling it, I might need some more help. So you guys are gonna see that I am going to be staring at the viewfinder a lot. So if you guys see like I'm looking upwards, that's totally because that is almost like my mirror to curl my hair. So without further ado, I'm gonna try to maybe move this around a little bit. I feel like the lighting is always so good in here and it's so bad in here. Okay, so going to part my hair. So I'm gonna just part it down the middle, throw it in a little pony right here. So I hope you guys are having a super good day. I am pretty much ready for the day, except I'm going to curl my hair. Our goat keeps escaping out of its cage. We know where it's getting out at. So now we have to fix our fence, which you might think that, oh, fixing your fence is super easy. No, it's not. It's gonna take forever. And then we gotta like put our goats away so they don't all run out. So anyways, you guys, keep going. I'm probably just gonna be chatty, talk through this whole entire thing because that's just how I do it. Either talk to my camera, I talk to you, I talk to myself. So this is what it looks like. It says Irresistible Me and then the Moonstone. I love this color blue. It's so pretty. And then, so anyways, so this is how it works. There is like buttons all along the side. There's a power button, steamer button, timer, and then an R/L. So there's an automatic left and right button. So you can push this and this little spot will change. So if you're doing the left side of your hair, you can turn it on the L, right side of your hair, or you can do automatic so it looks like a nice like little flowy go with the flow. I'm gonna do a little go with the flow. You put steam in this right here. So if you take this off, your little thing comes with a bottle like this. You can put steam in here. I'm going to opt out of this steamer just because lately my hair has been not damaged, so I would like to try to keep it that way. I don't even know if steam actually would damage my hair, but I am just gonna go with not using that. I am just gonna do the timer for 10 seconds and then there's like 3 temperatures. There's 380, 410, and 450. I'm gonna just go with 450 because like I said, my hair does not curl. You are supposed to take it on this side right here is supposed to be facing your hair. So I'm just gonna take small sections. You don't wanna do too big of sections or it doesn't work. And then I am just going to hold it down and then it's gonna count for 10 seconds and go beep, 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 beep when it's all completed. And then we just let go. And look at that, look at that. I did it. It feels so good when you can accomplish something that you like, something's been defeating you forever and then you finally accomplish it. So I'm not doing all the way up at the top because I just don't think that'll look good and I kind of just want like a nice little flowy curl. And I have not curled my hair probably since high school or probably since I had kids. I want to say probably since high school because I used to like actually care about what I looked all the time in high school. And I used to have this, oopsie, I put too much hair in there. So definitely want to not put too much hair in there and make it look good. I like how you just like clamp it down. So you clamp it down right here and your hair just goes right up in a little curler. That's such a cool little feature. And then, do we got something? Oh yeah, we really got something going here. Look at that. Every one I have done has like worked so far. So, and it's not like super hot to touch your hair either, which I really like that. Oh, okay, sorry, I was getting way ahead of myself. I was like, oh, we can just add more hair. Yeah, so I like that. So like, usually if you use like a curling iron, you either burn your hand or you have to use like a little like thing to hold your hair down, or like a wand, and you always burn your hair on your hair, or burn your hand on your hair. This, my hair's not even hot. It's warm, but it's not hot. So to have it at like 450 degrees, I'd say that's not bad. I like this. This is cool. Like, this is obviously like pretty time consuming, but if you have time, or even like if you did this the night before and like maybe put your hair in like a little pony. Look at this, you guys. How stinking cute. What? I like seriously like miss every once in a while. I'm not gonna say I like miss it, but I kind of miss like doing my hair and like making it look nice, and instead of just like one big ol' like straight hair. I would love to do this to my hair more often. But I like the idea of this because look at that. That's so cool. Look at that. I don't know how long my hair is going to actually stay because I don't know what it is about my hair, but it's never kept like a super, super good curl. So I'm hoping this works for a while if this takes this long. And usually like I would like spray my hair with hairspray or something like that just to keep the curl. And I don't know if I have hairspray, but I might have to go look just to see if I can spritz some in. And I think the smaller sections you take, like the better your curl looks. So let's just do this one again just to see if I get like a better curl. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Oh yeah, okay, so that definitely does something a little bit better. Okay, so I got all of this done. I'm gonna spray. You guys, I got a free sample, and that just goes to show you how much hairspray I don't use in my hair. Whoa, that was such a cute little bottle. Okay, so there is that. Should I do like this part or should I do this part? Okay, I think I will just do this part. Okay, we're gonna just start with the top. All right, I'm probably not gonna talk through this whole thing, or this is gonna be like a 45-minute video. So anyways, I'm just gonna keep curling and then show you guys the finishing touches when I'm all done. Oh, but also you guys, if you do wanna check this out, I'm gonna leave their link in the description box below so you can check that out. And also I have a 20% off coupon code for you. Some restrictions do apply to the coupon code just because they always have some like super crazy awesome deals on there. And that is like one reason why I love working with this company, is because they always have killer deals on really, really nice items. So that is like another thing. You guys know I'm like obsessed with sales and coupons and getting a good deal on things like that. So that's why I always, always, always love working with this company, because they have killer, killer deals. Okay, so I'm literally on the last section of my hair. I am just doing the top part now, which is so thick. There's so much hair right here. You guys, this is so cute. So I'm not getting maybe like the super giant curls like I've seen like some people get on this. But like I said, my hair does not curl. It doesn't matter what you have. Like even when I'd go to prom or when I got my hair done at our wedding, curls were falling out left and right. And that was like professional people doing my hair. Anyways, I think it's really cute. They're just kind of like some nice, like beachy, like loose curls. So it kind of just like, kind of looks better on me because I don't have this like full bouffant like of curls. So it doesn't make my like looks look a whole lot different. But I really like this. It's super time consuming. I don't know how long. I've probably been doing this for maybe 20 minutes possibly, which I know it probably doesn't seem like at all long, but when you have two kids that are being like super good for 20 minutes, you kind of wonder what they're doing. See, okay, this is where I have the issue. And it's not this, it's my hair right here. This never curls. Like this was my huge problem like the last week, is that this side of my hair, I was having the biggest issues with. I didn't straighten my hair this morning, nothing like that. I didn't put anything in it. So I thought that maybe it would work without me. Okay, see, it's coming along. Okay, we'll just keep going with it, and then I'll fix like hopefully the first part. So I wanted to do maybe like a get ready with me video with you while I did this, but I totally changed my mind and I was like, I'm just gonna do a chatty curl my hair type video instead, because a get ready with me video, I did one of those a long time ago and it took me literally like 2 hours to get ready, because one, like I wanted to make sure like I have everything on hand and like that I talk, and then it takes longer. And so like even if I had to do this and come back to it later, which thankfully I haven't had to, I did not know how that was even gonna manage. I don't even know how that was gonna work. So I was like, I'm gonna opt out of Get Ready With Me. I will do a talking video. I even think like maybe I'll just do like a couple like life updates, because lately I haven't even been posting on my normal days. So I've been doing like a few like collaborations with some like fun girls. And I absolutely love doing those, but they were like on days that I didn't normally post. So I did one on like a Tuesday, and then one on a Thursday. And normally I post like Monday, Wednesday, Friday. You guys, just doing those videos was like super like stressful, and like not because I like had to make a video, but because like summer is so crazy, and like I feel like sometimes I don't have enough hours in the day to get everything done. And I know like people are probably like, oh my god, you're a stay-at-home mom, like how don't you have time? Like my kids are super needy. I also have like a super sick dog right now. She has Cushing's disease, and she also has seizures. So she has not been able to walk very good lately. So she's been falling a lot and things like that. So I have to keep a huge eye out for her as well, and help her up and down the stairs, and help her to get to the bathroom, just so she doesn't fall down our one stair that we have going to our outside, like our front yard. That takes up a lot of time. Also, I started eating healthier. I will have a video up of that. I am not like a professional like health eater or anything like that, and I don't like a lot of veggies and stuff like that. So I like kind of did my own meal planning, and I chose what I liked and what I wanted to eat, and what was gonna cut like a lot of the sugar and like fats out of my food, because I have really bad stomach issues. I won't like totally go into that. But I'm gonna tell you 100%, like everything I have been eating lately has 150% like made my stomach issues way better than what they used to be. So I will have a video on that later on in the month. So I've been like meal prepping. I have to meal prep for our dog and take care of the kids, get them ready, have fun with them through the summer before they go back to school, take care of the dog. And then we also have goats and we have ducks, and we take care of those as well. Plus I have a whole house to clean, along with doing videos and trying to keep my sanity between the fighting and things like that. So, and get ready, do laundry. It's a lot. I tend to get kind of stressed out because I like to have everything done at once, and I know that's like impossible. So I literally kind of like cut back on what days I was posting, and it's just kind of like sporadic at this point. Like once the kids are back in school, like things will get a little bit back to normal, but for now like things are totally not normal around this house. And then Presley is going to like a preschool, like a I'd say it was like a pre-K, but it's definitely like, it's for children from ages like 3 to 5. It's definitely not a daycare. It is a preschool we have to pay for. Scarlett did it when she was almost 4, so Presley's kind of a little bit younger, but she will be going to school. It's just 2 days a week. Maybe I will try the right side to see if that works a little bit better on this part of my hair right here, because that's going like everywhere. So yeah, so we just went like school clothes shopping, and that is like what is going on. Nothing like too exciting, but that is like how my summer has been. Super fun. We went to Tennessee. I was gonna have a Tennessee vlog up like a week's worth, and I have not even edited those videos or even looked at them or any of that footage. So I don't know if you guys still want to see that, even though that was way back in June, but let me know in the comments if you do want to see like our Tennessee trip at all. Then I will post it in like September possibly. Okay, so I think my hair is about done. I'm gonna try to do this part one more time. I don't like the way this looks. This is the left side of my hair, so I'm gonna switch it to the L. This is like seriously like a nice little relaxing time is doing my hair. That's really crazy to think. yeah, so summer's crazy, and I absolutely love it. I love being busy. I love doing stuff with my kids. I love having Scarlett home because I feel like that school takes such a huge part of my life, like away from my kid being in school. Like, that's just crazy. I totally understand why people homeschool, but I totally understand why I don't homeschool, because there's no way I could. I would go insane. So props to all those mamas who stay home and homeschool. Like, I give you so much credit. I don't like the way this looks right here. This is just like, you guys, like, look at my curls though. This is, I mean, I feel like that the camera doesn't do justice on my curls, but this is like my after. I like this. I like that I have a little bit of volume in my hair. I never ever do this to my hair, so this is like super fun, super cool. I hope that curls stay in my hair just a little bit longer. Okay, so I guess if I kind of move my hair around, it makes those curls I didn't like them. So you guys, that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed my little chit-chatty staring at myself in the viewfinder video. If you guys did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and then make sure you guys check out this Moonstone automatic steam curler. This is super cool. I actually really like it now that I know how to work it. So yeah, you guys, links in the description box below if you want to check it out, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.